Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making some fun ghosts. We're going to make these adorable ghost embellishments that are super duper easy to create, but I thought that they turned out so cute. And so we're going to do that today. On the last video, we created these potion bottles. I think they turned out so adorable, and I will link at the bottom of this video how to make these. They're super easy as well, and that was fun to create. So how are we going to make these really fun adorable ghosts? Are so easy. I'm going to be using these ornaments that I got at the Dollar Tree. They're super easy to work with, and you have a whole bunch of different designs. You can use the ghost, you can use, if you want, you can use a pumpkin, you can actually use a witch hat. You can use whatever design that your beautiful heart desires. I'm going to use the ghost because I think it's so appropriate for this tutorial. And I'm going to use also this little string that comes with it to tie the bow. So to give our ghost some color, what I did is I used a distressed ink. Now, I'm using this Ranger Distress Vintage Photo Ink. You can use whatever you want. Whatever you have at home is perfectly fine. You can even paint your ghost orange or green or purple or even white. Whatever you want to do to your ghost is perfectly fine. I'm going to use this really simple brown ink because I just want to give my ghost just a simple, nice color. And I think that this vintage photo ink just gives it a beautiful sort of vintagey look to the ghost, and I kind of like that look, and I'm okay with that. So it just fits perfect with the little embellishment that we're going to create. I didn't bother to do the back because I'm going to hang this on a wall, and it makes no sense for me to do the back. But again, if you want, you're welcome to also do the back. All right. Now that our ghost has some lovely color, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our little hook to the ghost. I'm using this simple twine that I got at the Dollar Tree. You can also use, if you want to use Halloween ribbon, that will be perfect to use for this project if you have some. Or you can actually use some like ribbon or twine, or whatever you have at home is perfectly fine. It doesn't have to be specifically twine. It could be, you know, whatever it is that you have at home. Maybe an orange yarn, or, you know, whatever works for you. Now that we have a little hook to our ghost, we're going to add the legs. The legs that I'm using are these picks from the dollar. No, I'm sorry. This is from Michael's. I got this pick from Michael last year. And in these picks, you have these awesome little witch legs, which I thought they were perfect for this project. So I'm going to use these to create my little legs on my ghost. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little string of hot glue all going down my witch legs, basically just like so. And then I'm just going to add my ghost right over it. So this way I know exactly how the legs are going to look on my ghost. And that's how you're gonna basically add the little witch legs. Super cute, right? And then on the back, looks a little bit messy, but again, For me, it doesn't matter because I'm not gonna really work with the back. I'm gonna work with the front, and it's gonna be really hung up high, so nobody really is going to be flipping this around. All right, perfect. Now we're going to add our cute, adorable little witch hat. I have tons of witch hats here that we're going to add to the little ghost. I'm going to use this orange one, but the hats that I'm using are the ones that are from the Dollar Tree. They're these fun little wooden stickers, and they have a whole bunch of hats in these little pack. And you could just pick whatever hat you want to work with. You have tons of different choices in this little pack of, like, I don't know, I think it's like 12 maybe witch hats. You get something like this, which is a wood veneer one. Then you get one that's painted in black. You get this shape of hat, which is also super cute. Then you get the orange glittery one, and then you get also this one that I'm going to use. Love it. You get a whole bunch of different hats that you can use. And I'm also using the hat from Michael's a few years ago, which are these wooden black hats with a cute little stripe of orange in the center. I love those. I still have tons of those left over from last year, maybe even like 2 years ago. Okay, so I'm going to add my little witch hat to my little ghost. Make sure you remove the backing of the, see that little backing? If you don't remove that, it's going to give you a little bit of bump. Now, if you want to use it to give your hat some dimension, that's perfectly fine also. But in my case, I removed it because I didn't want to give an extra bump to my hat. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to place my hat where I think it will look nice on my ghost. And also keeping in mind not to disturb your little hook back here as well. And I think my hat looks perfect there. I love it. Our little embellishment is almost done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some kind of little ruffle on the top of our little hat, like I did here. As you can see there, we did like a little ruffle. Very simple. We're going to take a little piece of this mesh that also I purchased at the Dollar Tree. This comes in a rose, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. It comes in orange. I have here the gold. I have the purple. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. If you don't have mesh like this, you can always use ribbon. You can always use a fabric, like a Halloween fabric, and squish it in the middle. Cut a little square and then just squish the fabric in the middle. That would be awesome also to use. I'm going to use this little tiny square of purple and like black mesh. And all you gotta do is just grab from one end, squish it together, and gather it from end to end, just like so. And you're going to wrap around a little either twine or ribbon or something to keep your bow together. In this case, I'm going to use the actual little string that comes with the ghost. And all I'm going to do is just basically make a nice little tie knot in the center of my bow, just to keep it together. You can also use like regular thread if you want for this part. And then we're going to cut off the extra string that's hanging. And then you're going to get a cute little ruffle bow shape, just like so. If you think it's too big for your bow, for your embellishment, then you can always cut it. I think that my bow is a little bit too big, so I'm just going to trim a little bit my bow. I don't want my bow to be too gigantic. I want it to be just, you know, tiny enough that you can see it's a bow, but not too big. And that's a perfect size for me. It's tiny, but I think the size works perfect. And I'm going to place this right in the center of my hat. So I'm going to add a nice little dab of glue, and that's going to give a cute look to my ghost. I'm going to add that right in the center of my hat. And basically, that's just going to give it a really fun, cute look to the ghost. As you can see there, look how fun that looks. How cute does that look? Oh, I love it. Perfect. Okay. Now, if you want to keep going and you want to add maybe like a little cute little spider, or maybe you have some gems that you want to add, you can add like a nice little gem to your little bow. I mean, you can just go crazy, guys. Seriously, just go crazy. You can add some sparkles, some sequins, some glitter. I mean, you can add buttons if you want. Buttons will be great to add also. Whatever you want, go crazy. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little sign that says boo on the ghost. I have these signs that I got from Michael's last year. This is super adorable. I'm just going to place the boo sign like right in the center of my ghost, and I'm literally done. Literally done. These are stickers. So I'm going to pull the backing of the sticker, and then I'm going to add a little dab of hot glue right in the center, just to give it some reinforcement. If you want to give some dimension to your sign, you can always add double-sided dimension tape on it, and that gives you a little bit of nice lift to your sign, and that will look cute. But at this point, I didn't do that with my embellishment because I like the way it looks like this, and I think it's perfectly fine. For me, I love this look, but obviously you can turn it into how you want it to look. And that's basically all I did for this embellishment. How freaking adorable these cute ghosts turned out. I love it. I just love it. This one has a little different sign on it. That's the only sign that I had left, but the rest have boo on it. And I just love how this turned out. I love it. I'm going to hang these on the wall, and it's just going to give such a nice, cute Halloween vibe to the rooms. I love them. I love the witch boots. Oh, so cute. Look at that. The witch, not boots, they're kind of like witch legs. Adorable. Now, I also made myself one here for you. Where is it? I think it fell. Yep, it fell. Hold on one second. Using stickers. I couldn't reach for it. Okay. I made this one just so you guys can see that you don't need a lot of supplies and you don't need special supplies, okay? Literally, I made this one out of stickers. I used the witch legs from the Dollar Tree felt sticker pack. I used the witch hat from the Dollar Tree sticker pack. And then I used this cute little beware sign from Michael's, and that sign I believe I got last year. Let me see if I find it for you. And it looks like this, but literally you can use anything. If you don't have stickers that have either Halloween or boo on it, guess what? Go and cut yourself out a little square of BOO, place down boo right on it, and there's your stickers. There's your stickers. Or you can also use alpha. Alpha stickers are perfect. Dollar Tree also sells alpha stickers. You can actually just spell out the word boo or creepy or scoopy or beware. Whatever you want to spell out, you can actually make a little sign out of your either stickers you have at home or letter stickers as well, or alpha stickers. So that's it, my love. That's all I wanted to show you. I thought these turned out super cute, and I thought these were super duper easy to create, and I thought that you guys would probably like to create some of this for yourselves. And yeah, so I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. If you guys missed the video that I show you guys how to create these adorable potion bottles, I will also link that at the bottom so you can take a look at that as well. Okay, my loves? I love you all, and I will see you soon on my next video. Please be safe, and I will come up with another awesome video for you guys on the next few days. Make sure you thumbs up, Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. I love you all. Follow me on Instagram so you can see more pictures of these awesome, adorable embellishments. And I'll see you soon. Bye.